as you know, Valentine's is a very special day. You can give love to anybody. You can give love to your parents, your dad, your pets, animals, which was I just said, your grandpa, your aunt, your uncle, all of the people and things that you can give love to. So to celebrate Valentine's Day, I'm going to make a super easy and delicious Tortilla Pizza. And it's going to be super duper fun to make, and it's going to be super delicious. So let's have fun on this special day. Woohoo! Hello guys, it is me, Gianluca. Welcome back to my channel, Luccaland. Today I am going to be showing you how to make an easy and simple and tasty and delicious Tortilla Pizza. So we are just going to begin right now. I am so excited. I hope it's delicious. I'm really confident. I'm really happy. So you're gonna wanna grab a tortilla from this tortilla bag. Then you're gonna wanna put it on your little metal thingy. And then we just have to add the toppings. So yeah, we're gonna add the tomato sauce first. Because seriously, or tomato sauce, not tomato sauce. Yeah, I'm using pizza sauce right now. But you could use whatever type of sauce you want. Tomato sauce, pizza sauce, or other types of sauces. Oh, and if you want that extra kick, you can just use salsa for that extra kick, that extra spiciness. Alrighty, let's keep going. Alright, you're gonna wanna grab a big one, a big boy. I got a big one. I mean, not tomato sauce, pizza sauce. There we go. All right, now we are going to add the delicious cheese. I'm just using Barcelona cheese. You can use whatever cheese you want. I'm gonna add a lot of baby. Woohoo! Oh man, okay. You guys can use whatever amount of cheese you want. I'm not demanding you into using a lot, and I'm also not demanding you into using small. You can do whatever type of amount of cheese you want. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna add a little bit more. That's way too much cheese. Alright, now we're going to add the delicious pepperoni. Oh, and I almost forgot to show the other toppings that you could use. You could use these vegetables or ham, which is right in front of me. So, yeah. Gotta move this a little bit closer, boy. Alrighty. Got a big stack, boy. Now what am I doing right now? What am I doing? Oh, you look so cute. I'm gonna add the little nose here. This looks so dumb. Okay, we are now going to add nothing. We are going to add nothing. If you want, put some extra cheese on there. Yeah, I'm gonna put some extra cheese on that pepperoni. Whoop. That's all the cheese I'm gonna put. So, now we are going to put it in the oven. Make sure to use an adult supervision. And yeah, but make sure to preheat it at 350 degrees. And once you put the pizza in the oven, you have to wait to 10 to 12 minutes. And then take it out of the oven and you just eat the delicious pizza. All right, let's put it in the oven, boys.
15 minutes later.
Check out my little smiley face pizza guy. He looks so cute. I'm gonna take a bite out of this bad boy. Sorry for cutting your nose off, sir. Alright, I got a little slice here. I'm ready. 2, 1. Hey, this is pretty good. This tastes so good. This is delicious. Oh wow. This is delicious. I love this pizza. It is the best. Oh my gosh. Wow. I'm gonna eat this whole entire pizza right now. Wow, that was good. I have an idea. We could have a pizza party where each kid gets his own tortilla and then the kids make their own pizza and then it would just be a whole entire pizza party. That's the best idea of all time. Ow, my leg. That's the best idea of all time. I can't believe it that I thought of that. Well, I'm just gonna eat the rest of this pizza because I love it. Bye. Oh, it's a pizza party. So, yeah, guys, I really hope you learn how to create a pizza of your own today. But don't really eat junk food all the time. You have to eat healthy foods like carrots, vegetables, fruit. Don't always eat junk food. Eat your healthy foods first. And if you're on a diet, don't eat those junk foods. Alrighty, I am going to see you in the next video. Enjoy cooking your pizza! I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe and hit the bell and follow me on Facebook or Instagram as Luccaland, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!